Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty, and if it's your first time here, welcome. And if you are already a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad and you have been rocking with me, welcome back. Today's video is another fashion edition video. It's a little bit different because today I would like to talk to you about confidence. And when I say confidence, I mean confidence in your fashion. It can actually go over as self-confidence. We all know that when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, it tends to exude on the outside. With that being said, I want to begin with number one, confidence has no competition. Let me say it again. Confidence has no competition. When you are confident in yourself, you are not competing with anyone but yourself. You compete with yourself to do better, to look better, if that's your situation, not anyone else. Hold on, before we go any further. If you are not already a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad, let's just stop right now. Make sure you click that subscribe button, and to make sure you don't miss out on any of my uploads, whether you are already a part of the squad or you're joining the squad, make sure you click your notification bell so that you will know every time I upload a video. Make sure you check the description box because sometimes you have links there. I may list products. You just never know what's there. Leave me a comment at the end of the video to let me know what else you would like to see on my channel. Of course, give it a thumbs up. Everyone loves the thumbs up. And then share. Sharing means caring. So please do me a favor and share this video with all of your family and friends. Now, let's get back to the video. Being confident. I am here to help you on how to be confident in yourself, with your body, with your fashion. Number one, choosing the right article of clothing for your body. Now, we all have things that we don't like on our bodies, but we also have things that we love about our bodies. And when I say choose the right article of clothing for your body, I'm saying when you put on that outfit, whether it's a shirt, jeans, skirt, dress, whatever you put on your body, it fits your body very well. I have a video about body shapers because body shapers for me, they're very relevant to every outfit that I wear. Whether big or small, body shapers only enhance the way your clothes fit and the way your clothes look. Body shaper shapes your body. All it will do is smooth your silhouette, and when you put on that dress or when you put on that skirt, pants, whatever you're wearing at the moment, I guarantee you it will totally and completely enhance your look, and your clothes will fit 100% better. And I just wanted to say all of that to say, when you put that item on, you look in that mirror. We all do it, but it's okay because you are your worst critic and you are your best cheerleader. So it's okay when you put it on, you look in the mirror and it's like, oh, okay, that looks good. You know, that helps to boost your confidence level. Again, when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, ladies, we have a strut with us when we look good, when we know we look good, and when we do feel good and we are pleased with everything that we have on at that time. Ladies, our heads are held high. We have a little twist in our walk. We all know that that's how it is. We all know that is a form of confidence. And number two, accentuate your favorite body parts. Everyone likes certain things on their bodies, and then we all dislike certain things on our bodies. Now for me, I tend to like my curves. I have larger breasts, I have hips, and I have a little bit more junk in the trunk, as some would say. Those are my favorite assets. So what I tend to wear the most, my favorite are bodycon dresses. And as you can see here, I love a bodycon dress because it kind of shows off that hourglass figure. that most women, that people, society feels like we have to have. And I'm not saying that we do. I'm just telling you what I like the most on my body and what I accentuate the most. So you have to know what works for your body, what doesn't work. I still find ways to wear those pieces I know that I just can't wear, if that makes any sense. Let me give you an example. Mid-thigh shorts. I don't like the front or the back of my thighs. I've always wanted to be able to wear the mid-thigh shorts. So what I did was I found a way to wear those shorts with camouflaging the front and the back of the thigh. You will see right here. Those fishnet stockings camouflage a little bit of cellulite, a little bit of all that stuff that you will see if they were not on my legs. And ladies, when we get our hair done and we get our makeup done, or we put the makeup on ourselves and we have on a fly fit, you cannot tell me that confidence level goes through the roof. And last, I recommend choosing the right color or colors for your skin tone. When you choose the right color and you have the right article of clothing on, which is whatever you choose for your body type, and it fits you really well, there it is. It's a winner. And you are not competing with anyone. Whatever you choose that will give you that boost, the confidence you need in yourself. Don't look at the next person. You dress for yourself, and your confidence will be here. Point blank, period. So let's do a recap. You choose the right outfit for your body size, your body type, and your shape. You make sure it fits you really well, choosing the right colors for your skin tone, and of course, overall, your presentation. I will end with that. I just wanted to come and I wanted to give you beauties a little self-help to building your confidence with your fashion. And of course, you have to be happy with yourself on the inside. I mean, that's really first and foremost. And baby, it will definitely come to the forefront. And we will all see your level of confidence. I want to wrap this up. I want to thank you for tuning in to another fashion edition video. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click your bell, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see or how you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it. I appreciate the content being shared. Pretend I'm Popeyes. I will see you beauties in the next one. Until then, adios. And stay poppin', YouTube.